Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Check your Android version and unlock the phone because menu labels vary slightly. Once done, open Settings and tap Notifications or Apps and Notifications to access global controls. Make sure the app you want to silence is installed and visible in the app list. If it isn't, install or update it now. You're starting inside System Controls so you can change behavior at the source rather than inside each app, which saves time and prevents surprises. Open the app's notification page and scan the channels or categories. These control different alert types. You can toggle entire notifications off or adjust individual channels. Set importance to low to stop sounds and pop-ups while keeping background delivery. Make sure to disable badges, vibration, and lock screen visibility if visual cues still distract you. Once done, those channels stop interrupting you. Meanwhile, the app can still fetch data quietly in the background without producing alerts. After changes, test by triggering a notification or using the preview button in settings to confirm silence. If alerts persist, restart the device and, if necessary, clear the app cache or data to remove stale settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't overriding app exceptions. Adjust exceptions to keep desired alerts. If nothing works, temporarily uninstall or revoke notification permission for a clean reset. Troubleshooting tip: recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.